Yeah, this is the 2013 Nissan Altima. It's for the mass airflow sensor. All right, they got a engine code on it, so we're gonna replace that. It's very easy. That's 2 screws right there. All right, tiny screw, use this. A short one, so you can get in there, will not get blocked. All right, that's the screw right there. 2 tiny one, yep. All right, and pull it out straight up, just like that. And we got a new one ready. All right. The other way around, I guess. All right, you can see that. Screw here. What we gotta do, put it in. And tighten it on the other side. And that's it, plug in. The code will be clear itself, or you just use the code reader to clear it. All right, this is for the mass airflow sensor for 2013 Nissan Altima. All right, thank you for watching.